Good morning, guys. Just gonna stream live as we trade some of these fun little tickers here. As you can see, we've got VUZI, which is unbelievable. It's at $24.28. Hit a high of the day of $24.30. It started all the way down. Let me just remove all my drawings here because I was having some fun, it looks like. Let's do this, guys. This is going to be a great day. Looks like we're sitting here pretty. GME's kind of just flubbing around a little bit. It dropped all the way down to 198, where the bears were all happy and excited. Now we're sitting at 210. Everybody's talking about the squeeze, about the quadruple witching day tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see here. Let's turn up the audio a little bit. Looks like we're a little low. Hey, guy. Hey. La 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 la. There we go. That's pretty good right there, guys. What do you think? How's the volume? Anybody? Bueller? Anyways, so we're looking at three different tickers. We're looking at AMC, GME, and VUZI. Well, VUZI's got some great news. VUZI's had news over and over again. So the news on VUZI reports that Cooper Vision unit successfully deployed company's VUZI's M400 smart glasses at its West Henrietta location in New York distribution site. And yesterday, it actually reported that VUZI's received a $400,000 initial order for smart glasses from a major U.S. insurance firm. That's amazing, guys. Their year over year, I believe, was it 4 million, something like that, in revenue. I believe that's what it was. I'll have to double check that, but that's like 10% of their year. That one order. So that's pretty amazing. All right, I'll zoom in a little bit here. Let's see. And what you see on my screen, so I use a couple different indicators. I use the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. I use the SMA, and I use that's the 9-day SMA. For those of you that I'm still waking up, it's 7:53 a.m. here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's see here, where are we at? All right, so there's the SMA and there's the VWAP. The purple line is the VWAP. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's there, okay? All right, I'm removing all my drawings just because, it kind of interferes with things that you see. I want to make sure it's nice and clear. One of the other indicators that I use is the RSI. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. This is what I'm watching. This is what's going to be going on all day. Now I will probably click in and out of some other stuff here. Let's see. I can go ahead and put up the StockTwits feed if you guys want. Or if you looks like I've only got one person watching at the moment. No big deal. There will be more. There will be more. For the one person that's watching, if you want to go ahead and write something in the comments or ask a question or what have you, I am here for you, my friend. Let's do this. This is only my second live stream. Yesterday I live streamed the House committee doing their little hearing there of financial services. So yeah, they discussed the whole GameStop nonsense that's going on, which is going to be, I think it's going to turn out to be pretty good with all the due diligence I've been doing and learning basically what's going on with the market, with all these shenanigans that the hedge funds are doing. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. If you want me to take a look at a different ticker, let's see, what do we got here? Another ticker that I like is VUZI. Let's see what VUZI's doing. Just real quick here. All right, it's down from 1572. And by the way, these are 1 day, 1 minute charts that we're sitting here watching. Once again, if you guys want me to check something else out, I will. But for now, I'm just gonna mess around with the bull a little bit here. Let's see, there he is. Go ahead and put the bull here because that's what we're all about. We're all about the bulls, right guys? Yes, sir. All right. Are there any tickers that you are watching at this current time that you would like me to take a look at? Just gonna see if I find some DD on any of this fun stuff here. Okay, that's normal. How's the audio? If you want to go ahead and text, comment. I'm just curious how the audio is, if it's good for you. Let's see here. How's the audio, guys? Anybody? Anybody got anything here? Anything? Bueller? All right. So let's see where we're at. We've got the high of 24.49 on VUZI, and GME looks like it's bouncing off the VWAP. It has not gone below VWAP since looks like we're looking at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. was the last time it was below VWAP. It made its way back up. So we're looking at, hey buddy, can you stop?
What?
Go. I'm recording right now. Get out of here. Come on. Kids. All right, so now that now that he's out of the way, let's continue, shall we? Are there any stocks, anything you guys want me to take a look at? I am more than happy to do that. Just waking up like you guys. I've been up since 3, but you know, it is what it is. Got to keep going, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Looks like this is doing an inverted hammer pattern right here. Looks pretty good, I'd say. AMC's bouncing off of the VWAP as well. We are looking good here, guys. Let's see here. Let's do something else. Let's look at this. So here we have GME. This is a 1 minute chart. I'll go zoom into that a little bit. Yes, sir. Look at that. So there it did a nice little inverted hammer. Where is my drawings, my studies? Where are they at? Go. So for you of those that use Thinkorswim, I did a video on this, but a lot of people have asked me like, hey, how do you set up trend lines and all that stuff? Well, in this video, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I will show you how to remove your upper band from your VWAP. You double click on it. It'll open this nice little box up here. You click on upper band. If you want to see what your VWAP's set up to, it's right over here. You can change those numbers. I keep them there. I keep them at -2. Sometimes, depending on what I'm doing, I will change that to -14. And then same down here, except this one's going to be +14. So got that. That's done. Upper band. I don't even care to see these. Who cares? Honestly, I don't. So then you hit apply and you hit OK, and there you go. You got rid of those. To see what your SMA is set to, you just double click that. It's a 9-day SMA. Once again, sometimes I will go ahead and I'll change that to like a 14-day SMA. That's pretty good. Hit apply, hit OK. There you go. So now, the way that I watch these, and I don't know how you guys do your things, but this is how I do it, and I'll show you on GME. On GME here, you have the 14-day SMA, you have the VWAP. Notice how here, this here is the RSI and this is the MACD. If you notice, yes, it's starting to go up, it's starting to recover. The MACD just barely starts to turn green right here. Okay, it's not doing much. And you keep going and it starts changing a brighter green. Now, this is still scary, but right in this area here where the SMA crosses the VWAP, you'll notice that it's a consistent green and the RSI is above the 50. So let me draw the little line above the 50 because that's what I like to do. That helps me to watch my charts. RSI above 50. There we go. Right there. There you go. So you'll notice right here, it crosses the SMA. Once it crosses the SMA, it's already above the 50 and it goes nice and up. It rides the SMA, the 14-day SMA. So if I were to get in on this trade and I had, a couple hundreds of thousands of dollars to throw around, which I don't at the moment, I'm up about, I'm up 4,600 for so far this week. So that's not a bad week. That's not bad at all. So right here, you notice it crossed. So you have one candle of confirmation, 2 candles of confirmation. This is usually what I like to wait for, that I get 2 green candles. This little hammer here is a little scary, or doji, or shooting star, whatever you want to call it. But I wait for 2 candles of confirmation. So if I bought in right around here, I got $6, $5 of profit per share. Now this is on this chart. I'm going over to VUZI. If you look at VUZI, kind of the same thing happened, except this one's on a grander scale and it's not as expensive as a stock as as the other one was. So looking down here, let me make this bull smaller because he is a little big. Come on, there we go. Get him out of the MACD. There we go. All right, let's see. I got somebody texting me. What do we got? Okay. Awesome. All right, so on the VUZI ticker, I like to pay attention to the same things I just told you. It's the same trend lines that are already set up. Notice how here it crossed over the VWAP. The SMA did, crossed over the VWAP. Here you've got the dying green on the MACD. It's oversold. It is above the 50 RSI. There it is. Okay, well, come on. So you can do it like I do it. You can do it some other way. But here in this demonstration, you'll see it crossed over the VWAP right here. Nothing but red candles, right? So why did it cross? Well, it crossed because of this beginning part right here. Remember, these are all just a little bit delayed. They're not 100% accurate. You can't always just use the indicators as your buy-in signals, your sell signals. You have to kind of feel it out. The momentum of the stock. This is volume right here. This is volume. So anyways, it crossed over, it went up, it started retracing back to the VWAP, but it kept going up. If you notice here, you got one little green, big green, big green, big green. So these right here, this is my confirmation saying, hey, you might want to get in right now. The other thing that's confirmation for me is that it's over the 50 RSI. And if I would have got in probably around this green candle here, that's where I typically like to look at it, maybe even over right here, because now I've got a few green bars of confirmation from the MACD. So yeah, probably right around here. If I bought in here and say I bought 100 shares, well, look at that, guys. As long as it's above the 50 RSI, I'm a happy man. It keeps going. It's got good distance from the VWAP. It keeps going. It hit, so far, it hit $24.57. And I believe this stock will go to the moon. And by to the moon, I mean over $26. And in the future, I'm thinking maybe 2022-ish. This stock's probably going to be $50+, guys. This is a great company. They just announced that they're 117% year over year in revenue. Yes, their price per share went down just a hair. No big deal. Who really cares? That doesn't matter. I mean, the stock market's being played with so much right now that it really doesn't matter. All right, so check this out. It is running. It's 24.74. It's pushing its high of the day constantly. So that's beautiful. I love it. Is there any new news on this? No new news other than, the VUZI reports the Cooper Vision unit successfully deployed company's VUZI M400 smart glasses at its West Henrietta, New York distribution site. That's not huge news, but it's cool. Yeah, they keep putting out good news, and looking at this ticker, if you go ahead, if you will, take it back maybe 5 days at 5-minute candles. Look at that. I mean, that's beautiful, guys. Who wouldn't want to get in on this stock? Anyways, let's check out GME or AMC. Let's see what AMC is doing. AMC is still using the VWAP as support. Excuse me. Nothing really too exciting about this one. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at the one minute. So this is how I like to look at the VWAP and why I say it's using it as support. For those of you watching, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you like the way that I explain things, go ahead and hit the like button. That helps me out, and with more and more viewers, the content's going to get more and more exciting. So if you hit that like button, that would be great. There you go. I appreciate that, guys. Thank you. Looking at AMC. AMC actually has some good news too. Everybody's excited about this. Let's see, I'm excited about this because they're saying that they're going to be opening, let's see, 7 in the morning. Here we go. 7 in the morning. AMC climbed almost 4% in extended trading on Wednesday after the movie theater chain basically said that they were going to go ahead and open up 98% of its U.S. locations beginning Friday. That's pretty awesome, guys. That's great news. Let's see what happened. with additional openings in the U.S. expected over the next week, AMC expects 99% of its U.S. Circuit will be open by March 26th. That's awesome. And then we also have, we've got the Reddit guys playing with this. So what do we know about that? We know that this is an extremely volatile stock. And what we look forward to in the market is volatility. At least I do. Just so you know, right now, I'm going to open something up just so you see where I'm at. Let's see. Monitor. This doesn't show any account information, so that's great. If you guys look, since open on the stocks that I hold AMC, GME, HWAL, and VUZI. So I am up $4,800, $4,900. Today I'm up $1,134. Pretty awesome. Just gonna keep on letting it roll. Go back to these charts here real quick so I can take a look. Like I said, GME is using VWAP as support. Volumes kind of okay. Wow, VUZI almost hit 25 bucks. My prediction for VUZI for today is that it's going to be over $26 today. But that's just a prediction. I am nothing but a dumb ape. I eat crayons. So take that with a grain of salt. I'm in it. I've got my limit, let's see, my sell limit at $50. And that's extended hours and good to close, just in case this thing surprises me one day and jumps up. Boy, that would be amazing. I have 375 shares of VUZI Corporation. Now, if you guys don't know what VUZI is actually a augmented reality glasses. That's the company. That's what they do. They've been around for a really long time. They've got 162 patents. They hold, let's see, since 2005, they've gotten CES awards. That is the Consumer Electronics Convention. Amazing. If you ever have a chance to go to it, it's fantastic. So much tech, guys. So much tech. Let's see what the GME guys are saying here. Let's see. 460 new posts. Market live. The time to head to the moon. GME AMC. You got some apes holding. You got some apes holding diamonds. That's a funny picture right there. Let's see if I can show you guys what I'm looking at here. Let's put that right there. There it is. All right. Move that right here so we can kind of see this, and I will go ahead and zoom that in so we can see. Time to head to the moon, guys. That's going to be the ticket. For those of you that are not on the GME or the AMC train, it's a crazy one, guys. It is going to go to the moon. I do know this. Don't take my word for it, though. Use your own DD and, make sure that you're following your own rules. Let's just do this real quick. So real time, let's see how many people are doing what they're doing. Once you become a parasite trader by following some morons on Wall Street bets, you will never know what you are doing, nor will you gain any knowledge to pass to your kids. Yeah. That's a hater right there. I mean, I understand there is a lot of stuff going on. Oh yeah, the GameStop hearings on Thursday. That's right, I forgot. It's good news. If you guys want to share the stream with your friends, go ahead and do that. Let them know we're talking. Yep, go VUZI. My buddy just said, VUZI's going to the moon, man. Yeah, I know. It's at 2480 as we speak. Let's see, what do we got here? Anybody else got any fun comments? Here, I'm going to go ahead and post. Hey guys, doing live stream on GME, AMC, VUZI. Come join watching. Join the fun. Period, post. There you go. And I am very bullish on all these fun stocks here. And there it is. Okay, so let's see. Let's go over to. Wow, look at that. GME is just hovering. I mean, it's good. It's hovering. I don't mind it hovering where it is, but we'll see what happens. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I'd love to answer some questions. Let's see what the VUZI peeps are saying. I'm sure they're excited. Come on. Yeah, stop it. There we go. VUZI is on fire. That's a nice little chart there, huh? Whoop. All right. Nice, nice. All right, so decent volume today. Last hour of trading today should be rather interesting. Well, yes, it should, because VUZI, typically in a nice day like today, VUZI is going to go ahead and trade anywhere between $2 and $4 in the day. It's going to go up and down, up and down. If you've been watching VUZI for a while, you'll notice that. And I've been noticing that quite a bit. Glad I so decided to go long. Yep. Woof. Just dumped my March 20s up 550% from entry to Tuesday. Bangs April 30s, 35s. Proceeds. Love the company and love what they do, but a chart is a chart. Is a chart, and this is technical breakout. Yes, sir. Looks like everything's kind of moving today. I mean, you've got a nice cup and handle, actually. Let me get that back over there. Put that up there. Okay, so on GME here, I posted today on TikTok. This beautiful cup and handle pattern right here was forming. This is where I posted it. Saw these right here, and then it did go up. It actually went from 209 all the way up to 214, 215, 216. So, I mean, cup and handles do work, guys. I don't know if you're aware of them or how you feel about them, but I love cup and handle patterns. I love watching charts. Charting is fun, especially if you're day trading. Now, I love me some day trading because it makes me quite a bit of money. I'm sure you guys do too, and I'm sure it helps you out as well. What is going on here? Why is my chart pushed over that far? Let's go back here. There we go. Let's move the bull. This is a no bull zone, guys. Just kidding. We love the bulls. Let's see. See this right here? See, this is interesting right from the morning. This trades almost exactly the same. AMC and GME run the same way because the hedge funds, this is all their crap. This is them playing with the market. So we will make sure that we make some money off of it. Because last time I was playing with my VUZI and my SOL, that's Rent-A-Solar. If you take a look at that, Rent-A-Solar, back in the day, it was up to like 36 bucks. Let's go, what was it, 20 days? 20 days ago? No, 20 days ago wasn't far enough. Let's go to 180 days. There we go. So, there it is, 36.53. Guys, this was amazing. I made a good amount of money on this. When I hit $36.53, the reason it dropped down wasn't because GME and AMC started happening. It's because the company decided to do a offering at $25 a share, which sucks. All right, looks like the gardeners are here. I'm sorry about that noise. Oh yeah, that's annoying. That's annoying. I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the live stream and come back once these gardeners are gone, because I can't work with that. Can you guys work with that? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button. I'm gonna go ahead and go off right now, guys. Oh wow, look at that. VUZI, $25. Go VUZI. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so we're also gonna, let's see, are they leaving? What are you guys doing? Nope, they're coming back. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this stream for now. I appreciate you, the two of you watching. I wish I knew who you were and how you found me. If you would please comment, that would be great. Just let me know where you're from, how you found my stream. That'd be awesome. I've got some great information coming a little bit later. I'm not gonna share right now because it's too loud.